to Stock Market Pulse. I'm Nitika. Let's check the pulse of stock market. Today I have got one good news for you all, and after that I will discuss the Nifty 50 and Nifty bank level as usual. And I have got one stock also which has posted good Q2 result, but the Q2 results are over now. So this is the last stock I am going to discuss the Q2 results and the levels. And now I will come with the new Q3 results series in January. So this is the last stock I am discussing the Q2 results. So stay connected till the end and hit the like button now. So let's start with the good news. What is the good news? Good news is coming from CPI that retail inflation eases to 6.77% in October, but it is RBI's, it is still in RBI's tolerance band. What is RBI's tolerance band? RBI's tolerance band is 6, it is 6 till 6%, मीन्स आरबीआई को 6% के अंदर लाना है इन्फ्लेशन को, बट इट इज स्टिल हायर देन 6%, बट इट इज ईजिंग, इट इज डाउन फ्रॉम 7.41% इन सितंबर. और उसके बाद जो हमारा एक WPI का भी आया है, द इन्फ्लेशन डेटा, दैट इज ऑल्सो ईज्ड फ्रॉम द last year, y on y. It is actually now 8.39% in October, and it was मतलब it was actually low from March 2021. What is WPI? WPI is the wholesale price index, and CPI is the consumer price index. But we concentrate on CPI. Now we have come to the Nifty 50 charts. What's happening on the charts? Nifty 50 is trading at 18,300. So what happened last week? Actually, I have given the resistance level of 18,350 and 18,350. It is 350 to 400. It was consolidating in last week. 350 से 300 से 400 के बीच में this is consolidating. तो 400 को नहीं तोड़ पाया, but no worries, it is definitely going to break it come in coming days, and it will touch the 18,600, and if it breaks it, it will touch the 18,800 very soon. So what can be the resistance? अभी resistance तो 18,350 ही है. Still it is the 18,350 resistance is intact, and the support, yes, support is also the same 18,100 here. 18,100 is the first support, and the 18,000 is the psychological support. It is going to break the 18,000 ka ek psychological support is not going to break soon, very soon. So it is not going to break actually. So 18,000 का एक साइकोलॉजिकल सपोर्ट है, एंड 18,100 का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग सपोर्ट है. And Nifty 50 touched the high of 18,400, the same thing, and low 18,200. तो 300 200 के बीच में, 350 के बीच में ये अभी भी कंसोलिडेट कर रहा है. So what can be the Nifty level for the next week? From 18,100 to 18,600 can be the area where Nifty 50 can trade in next week. Now we have come to the Nifty bank charts. Let's see what is happening on the charts. Nifty bank Nifty bank is trading at around 42,450 somewhere, and it has touched the high of 42,590, around 600 somewhere, but it could not sustain there, and immediately it fell down. So it is the Nifty bank is also consolidating. It was also consolidating in last week here, where at 42,500. The resistance I have given in my last video, I will give the link in I button also. The 42,500 was the resistance. It is still intact. It has not broken it. So 42,500 को तोड़ने के बाद ही ये उसके ऊपर जाएगा, ये तब ये इट कैन गो टू 43,000 plus level, but first it has to break the 42,500 level. And at downside a 42,000 here, yes, 42,000 is a strong support for the Nifty bank, and if it's breaking it, it can go to here 41,600 somewhere, 500 600. So what can be the trading area for the Nifty bank in next week? It can be 41,600 to 42,500, and if it's breaking it, it can go to 43,000 plus level. So keep these levels in your mind. So now we have come to that stock, which is Gujarat Gas, and it is from gas distribution sector. So first I will discuss the results, and then fundamental, and then buying level also. So Gujarat Gas has posted very good results. The in Q2 in September, the profit was 404.44 crore, which is higher from the last Q1 quarter. It was in Q1 it was 381, and in September it is 404 crore, which is 5.7% higher in profit. Revenue, yes, revenue is little down, it is little concerned. It is actually 3,976 crore, which is down from the last Q1, and in last Q1 it was 5,170 crore, which is down almost 23%. EBITDA is 642 crore, and in last Q1 it was 607 crore. तो उससे भी थोड़ा सा बढ़ा है, इट इज एक्चुअली 7.4% प्लस. And the margin is getting very better. It is in Q1 it was 11.7%, and this time in Q2 it is 16.2%. The margin is very good, and it is 450 bps high. Now we'll discuss the fundamental. So what's happening, what is the fundamental? We'll check, you can check the fundamental here. This company is engaged in natural gas business in Gujarat, and this is the uh, mid cap company, and the market cap is 34,550 crore, and the stock P is 25.4, which is actually it is reasonable valued, and the ROC is 30.9%, means 30.9% ROE is very good. Return on equity ROE is 25.7%, which is also very good, and the dividend yield is little less, it is 0.40%. Debt to equity is 0.05, which is actually negligible. EPS is 19.7%, and the operating profit margin is 11.5%. I told you it was last time, and this time they have increased their operating profit margin to 16%. Now we'll discuss the buying level. So actually, what's happening in Gujarat Gas? It is actually trading below 200 EMA. Means uh, it is not in uptrend. Still, it is not in uptrend, but it has to break the 520 to 30, 530 actually 20, 520 level. It has to break the 520 level to give to show the good up move in actually in the stock. So investor can buy it even now only, they can invest in that. This is the very good buying zone at 495, but the resistance is 520. तो 520 पे जाके बार बार नीचे आ जाता है, तो 5 it has to break the 520, then target can be the 560 plus, 560 plus. और सपोर्ट इसका एक 480 पे है, द सपोर्ट इज एट 480. तो यू कैन एक्यूमुलेट दिस स्टॉक हेयर एट 480, but for investment purpose. This is not a trading idea. If I will give the trading idea, that will be definitely totally different. So you can accumulate this stock at 480 to 500 level for the 520, plus after breaking 520, 560 target, 5 till 560. So Q2 results are over now, but still I will keep discussing those stocks which are at their buying level, accumulating zone. I will keep discussing those stocks and their buying level also. For that, stay connected and keep watching videos. Signing off now.